Hello everyone. I'm wanting to personalize my terminal. So I started my virtual environment. I start the Kali Linux OS. So I want to uh, give this thing like a type of a hacker. So go with me on board of this and let me do something really pretty with uh, this terminal because we want to introduce you to the practice of the ethical hacking on Android hacking and wireless hacking or Wi-Fi hacking. So we need to have a good interface. We need to have a good styling, a thing that can give us the feeling of a hacker. So let's work on this and let's do something pretty cool. So you will need to start a two cool thing. Okay, I have this command here. So you want to start FIGLET and LOLCAT. Okay, I think I already have these two things installed. So uh, what we're gonna do is this FIGLET. Okay, my C. I will use my surname to personalize this terminal. Okay, and let's check. Okay, we first have this thing, but you can want to change the font, so you can use this command show fig fonts. Okay, and you have bunch of fonts here, and you can choose one uh, that you may like. Okay, uh, I will use slant. Okay, I will use this font slant. Okay, I should use a different font, but I think slant is good. What do you think about SMS length? I think this one is cool too. And let's copy this and make this thing work. Okay, I have this thing figlet minus c meaning we'll put this at the center. Okay, and I put the text that the text is my name. Okay, let me do this thing. We want to change the font, and the font we want to use is SMS length. This is the font that we want to use. Okay, and this is the name that I choose. Okay, and let's do some cool thing. This thing is to put a pipe here and use lolcat. That's what will happen when you use lolcat on this. Okay, I have mouse highlighted and with color. This is uh, the power of lolcat. Okay, you have figlet and lolcat. These two commands make your terminal look pretty good. Okay, and if you wanted to put more things, okay, a test and the name you will choose, like Mr. Mouse, like Mr. Hacker, whatever. Let me put another command here. I can do this thing and write a cool test here, and I will change the font. I want to use the same font. I'll put here G digital. Okay, this is the font, and I will change this test for uh, learning hacking. Learning hacking. It's cool. Okay, this is our test, and look at this. Learning hacking is cool. Okay, you can put whatever you want here. So we want to make these two commands. I want to put these two commands at one, and we want to make uh, at the start of the app or the terminal showing us this interface mouse learning hacking it's cool. Okay, and the first start of the terminal, or even want to open your terminal. Okay, how we can do these things? We can do this thing writing this in the shell script. Okay, we will write these two commands on the root fault of our shell or our terminal. Okay, you could use anything you want, any editor you want. So I will use sudo. Okay, you will need a root privilege to write on this file. Okay, I will use sudo and put mousepad. Okay, mousepad, a pipe, a tail. Okay, and dot z s h r c. Okay, and it's open. Okay, so what we will do here, we will go down and we will copy the first command. Okay, we'll copy the first command. You can use Control Shift C. Okay, it's not working, but I can write here. Okay, FIGLET mein app SMS length mein C. Okay, I can put the text Mr. Mousy. Okay, put the pipe. LOLCAT. Okay, I can copy the command over here. Okay, I think I will copy the command here. Okay, copy and give any enter and shift. Okay, let me do this. Control Shift V. Okay, it's not working. Not sure why, but let me try copy paste. Okay, it's working. Okay, I don't know if I'm using a physical keyboard. So learning hacking is cool. Okay, so I will change the font. I will use digital. Okay, and I will save the file. Okay, I will save the file and close it. Okay, so if I close the app, I wonder when I open it, found mouse learning hack is cool. Okay, so it's what happening. Okay, so you can personalize your terminal like this. Okay, another thing that we can do is come in preference. Okay, and color scheme we can choose let's look black on light yellow, black, okay, green on black. This is the color of the hacker. Okay, I will use this. Let's see how it's look like. Okay, they change, so you can change like the transparency if you want to. Okay, it's looking cool. Okay, you can do more things here. You can change whatever you want. So we just make this like look like a good thing for us. I think it's good for me for now. So in the next lesson, I will show you how to start your Android hacking using the basic D. Oh, okay, são as coisas básicas. I'm switching to Portuguese like I'm Mozambican, so I speak Portuguese too. So I'm just trying to make this video in English and just to feel how it will look like. So you can personalize your terminal using this command I show here, and you can do many things you want in your terminal. So go to preference. You can use action. You can let me check here. Okay, this thing we can do split the terminal. If you want to work in the same terminal, you can split your terminal into part. Okay, like this. But it's not funny for me, so I don't like to use this thing, ok? But you can do if you want, and nos vemos na próxima aula, ok? Então, ficou a dica de como personalizar o seu terminal no Kali Linux e em qualquer plataforma Linux você pode usar os mesmos comandos e obter os mesmos resultados. Então, fica ao seu critério como você quer usar, como você quer personalizar e nos vemos na próxima aula.